Hi, everybody. My name is Bill Chin. I'm the founder of BQ Realty Group. I was a software engineer back to 2002. Just let me share my PPT just one moment. Okay. Also, I switched to real estate industry from 2008 as an investor. Right now, I have two real estate funds. One is for the fintech, like Harmony Loan, and another one is real estate development. I was never far away from tech industry because here is Silicon Valley. Also, I work with real estate company, and also I look for the tech trend. So combine those together. Today, I would like to share some tech innovation in real estate industry. As you know, that real estate is one of the last sector that have innovation, but things are changing right now. There are millions of dollars invested in real estate platform, creating new real estate models and feature for real estate platform. From 2017, the funds start from $33 million increased to $5 billion in 2010. And in 2019, there are around $16 billion invested in real estate related startups. So that's a kind of booming in real estate innovations. There are 5 drivers driving this trend. They are construction technology, we call them Quantech, legal technology, we call them legal tech, and the shared economic movement of fintech. And there are 4 key areas that PropTech, which is property technology. There are smart real estate fintech, real estate shared economic, and data analytics. So you can see the pictures on the left, on the right, this movement from 2017 to 2020. From 2017, there's no Quantech and legal tech, but 2020, Quantech, legal tech take a big share in the PropTech and fintech area. So that's one of the movements. From the investment side, that we can see the PropTech market consolidation from 2015 to 2019. Some giant company like Amazon, like Zillow Group, they acquired Trulia, Downloop, Oracle also involved in the acquisition. So in 2018, there are several startup companies has been acquired by the giant companies. And last year, 19, there are several. I just listed 2 of them. One bought by Amazon and they're by State Tels. So that's a investment side, also analysis by the segment. We can see there are real estate, fintech, share economic. The most majority share took by the transaction side, like fintech and the transactions, it take 38%, almost 38%. And the sharing economic also involved in the transactions like Airbnb, like sharing Uber, those type of sharing economic, it take 16%. So most of startups innovations happens in the transaction and the fintech and sharing economics. The next slide is the venture scanner. That's a chart for the funding from 2011 to 2018. We can see from 2011, it just started, and almost $20 billion invested in real estate related industrial in 2018, but now it even increased more. And the most activity in VC investors, we can see 500 startups invested 28 projects or companies, YC, the massive 15s. So is showing that real estate related startups, real estate industrial track innovation and investment funds. The most number 4 is from India, and there's a Philippine company. So we can see the first one is a We company, which is a Airbnb WeWork. This is a WeWork. It's a SoftBank-backed company, invested company, and Airbnb. This is from China, from a Chinese company. It's Lianjia. It's also a public company. Also, the campus, we know real estate brokerage is very traditional, but the campus acquired lots of individual companies, and they are working on the innovation. They build their own system and try to use data, use technology to change this this area, this sector. This on the right side, this is a part-tech unicorn. In 2018, U.S. company take 76% share. Chinese company take 24% share. But in 2020, the Chinese company increased their percentage of the market share. Those are the innovation companies in each sectors. This one. Okay, back to the real estate industry, the prediction for the future, because I work in real estate industry every day, so I know some movement. One of movement is the value of real estate industry. The value of real estate industry by 2022, it will increase to nearly $7,200 billion. And real estate tech startups, it happens in big data, AI, virtual tours, like recent, because of COVID-19, people don't want to see a house in person. They prefer to see a house online. They send a 3D tour and they watch YouTube. The agent took some videos. So more and more we can see the movement to the VR system. And also there's some innovations in the business model, like iBuyers. The most popular website we can see probably is Zillow. Julia, Redfin. If you want to buy the house, you will go to Zillow, Julia, Redfin. You will check when you place an offer. You will check the value. You will say, hey, the Zillow estimate this number. We should put the offer around this number. So more and more those companies they track the buyers. They track some potential real estate. The investors to look online to find the deals, to find the properties. And also that's the technology side. And also the real estate, the market trend itself, because of the low interest rate and the short of inventory. So the price will go up, drive by 6% probably this year. But next year, it may stabilize a little bit and cool down to 3%. In real estate, innovation happens, and there are some disturbance. Let's see, it happens in 3 major areas. Like the first one, Millennials as a major property buying group. We can say this trend. And also the new business model in real estate industry happens. The third one is global digitalization of real estate industry. So Millennials, as NAR, which is a National Association of Realtors, they have a survey that in 2020, there will be 45% share, the new home buyers will be millennials. So this is a majority share, become majority share of the market. So nobody can ignore them. Buying real estate, the millennials, they prefer to search first before like traditional real estate. They looking for agents first, but millennials, they prefer to search online by themselves and see the house using 3D tour. Then they probably will place offer in the like Redfin. They have the option. They can submit the offer, contact agents. So the behaviors of the buying house or searching house was changed a lot compared to the traditional real estate. So that's one of the change in real estate. And how millennials will search, will find a house, how they look for a website that could satisfy their needs. First, they look for photos. 87% they look for photos, and property information, 85%. Floor plan, 52%. There's a 3D tour company, it called 3D tour, virtual tour, and they can do the floor plan and post online, also virtual tours. And also they contact real estate agent drop to 42%. Millennials behavior changes. The next new business model in real estate happens. Amazon, which is a giant tech company. The Amazon and traditional real estate brokerage, Relogy, they have a team up. They create a turnkey solution for home buyers. Relogic first buy the property with a client, then the Amazon will innovate the property. They will install the smart home, they will install the TV and all the related technology into the home. So that's one of the change. Also some other like sharing economic embedded into the real estate industry, like Airbnb shared this economic. Let's see this one. Sorry. Airbnb has the 3 million rooms compared to some traditional hotel business like Hilton, like Marriott, is far more than the market share they can take. So that's the second trend is happening. Also, the PropTech is taking over the real estate market. It happens in several sectors. One is buying and selling website. The second one is AI property value estimation, big data, real estate management software, CRM system, mobile apps, real estate crowdfunding platform, blockchains, and VR systems. I can see all of them or most of them is happening in our daily life or in our career, which is real estate in real estate transactions. Buying and selling website is Zillow, Redfin. Also the commercial website like LoopNet, CoStar, Realtor.com is owned by NAR, which is a National Association of Realtors, and Redfin.com, that's traditional online public company right now. They become public. It's a traditional brokerage become a new model. And also real estate management software, VR system like this one. I think in future, people can use some glasses. They can see the block of this area. They can see this profile of this building and the future development. All those could be much easier for home buyers, sellers, investors, see whatever the information they need. Also the value of the property that related to the machine learning and the big data. So AI and machine learning and property value estimation also happening in real estate innovation. The good company who can do that is Zillow. They can estimate property value and post on the website. Lots of homeowners, investors will use this number as their buying and investment reference. Yeah, and blockchain, it happens in the smart contracting and tokenizations. The big data. Let's jump to the conclusion. Today, I talked about the real estate trend. The first one is millennials will become the major property buying group. So if the innovation happen, it could be happen because of the first trend. So the new business model continue to happen in real estate industrial. Prop tech will continue to be happening. And the technology trend in real estate that will be happening in 7 areas. Like the first one, buying and selling website. The second one is VR system, AR, AI, and machine learning. The third one is integration of the property value estimation, like Zillow. The fourth one is real estate CRM software. 5 is blockchain, big data, and 6 is real estate crowdfunding. 7 is a mobile app. So hopefully today I just have some break view of real estate innovation happening in some area. So hopefully it's helpful.